The launch of APEX is something that as a BD team we've been waiting for some time, and we're very excited that it's here. And it's obviously a new reader for us, and we call it our next gen, if you like, and that's what people will use. But APEX is a reader that's from the ethos of the company is to take us forward, future-proof clients, give clients choice. That's really what the APEX is about. So from the difference, if you like, between the APEX and the Ethos is what most people probably want to know is, yes, we have all the wonderful things that we had in Ethos. So we had the Prox filter, we've got the Leaf community, we have the OSTP auto detect, which allows you to plug that reader into a Wiegand panel. It will automatically switch to OSTP or Wiegand depending on what the panel is. So for upgrade paths, if you've got a Wiegand panel and you're upgrading to OSTP, that simply means when you change that panel to a more secure OSTP, that's automatically going to talk to the panel without you having to remove the reader or do any configuration, which is an absolutely massive thing for the installer in saving time. The key thing, and so again, we moved on from the evolution of the Ethos range, is that we have now added the Mullion keypad. This was certainly vital for us here in Europe. It's a part that we needed to be added to the range, and it gives us a complete range now of single gang keypad, Mullion and Mullion keypad. So we have everything that everybody needs under one APEX range. With the two different ranges within APEX, we have the Summit, which is a Prox high frequency BLE and NFC reader, so a true multi-tech reader that allows you to sort of an upgrade path away from Prox. That's when we use the Summit. So if you have a legacy system and you want to move to something more secure, over time, we can work out a plan with our Prox reader and move forward with the Summit. With the Ascent range, it's obviously the high frequency, the BLE and the NFC. So we drop the Prox. When it's a new start or a new build, then that's the reader you will go to. For me personally, being an ex-installer, what the company did is they took a lot of input from integrators and installers about what they wanted from a reader. And I think some of the little things probably that people look at and go, from the backplate, the swivel 2 screw and the clip-on nature of the reader and the angled security screw, tiny little thing design elements, but make a hell of a difference to an installer when they're installing a reader. One of my favorite features on this is the plug-on pigtail. So the plug-on pigtail is something that we sort of come up with in the sense of, at the moment, you have a part number for a pigtail and a part number for a terminal block. We combine them to reduce the amount of part numbers we have. So simply, if you want an external reader, you plug a pigtail on and away you go. So it's available now. Speak to your CIE rep and they will be able to give you pricing. And of course, if you need to know more information, then you can speak to me as well.